Today we got this 2020 Elantra. We're going to replace this mirror here. Looks like we're just going to replace the glass. Here's the glass that we're going to replace. Bubble wrap. There's a little connector there for the heated. So what we're going to do is, foot got stuck. We're going to pop this out. Grab my panel puller here. Now if your mirror isn't broken like this, popping it out might break it. But since this is already broken, there we go. We got popped out, so now we're going to unplug all the elements here. Now these top ones should just pull off. See, I get something to hold the camera. Angle's going to be a little, I don't know how I'm going to do this on thing, but okay. We're just going to pull these off. Easier said than done, apparently. There we go. This one, regular plug clip. Should push that tab. There we go. Then we'll get the new one in reverse order. So I must have bent the end of these tabs a little wider. So I'm going to get a needle nose and kind of push them back to make sure it's a snug connection. So I'm just going to squeeze these a little bit. Make sure that connection was as good as when I took it off. Oh, still not quite there. Try that. Alright, that's better. At least that one is. A little more. No. There, I could feel that was tighter. And now we're going to push this in. There we go. Now we get something just to wipe it off to get my fingerprints off it. So on stuff like this, I use like the microfiber. I do not use our shop towels because there can be metal stuff just lodged in there and scratch it all up. So I have a separate microfiber I use to wipe stuff down like this. There we go. Got the new mirror in. Everything looks good. Ready to ship her out. See, this is the old one, which we will just throw away. So Like, subscribe. See you again.